guys, so we're here and I made this really cool house thing. Has LPS fairies on the side and some fairy pictures, and it has some cats. Has this really cool drawing on the back, and it has some dogs. And I have a little fairy garden right here, and it leads to this treasure. But look who's in here. My cat, Puffy, apparently is in the box. She's in the box. So she just got out. Alright, so in here there's a flashlight. So in my box, I have this picture of a swan and her baby. Then I have that picture of the beach. Then I have that picture of a chinchilla because I love chinchillas. I have a picture of a horse and picture of two chinchillas back there because I love chinchillas. And my cat was just in my box. Grandma, the cat was just in the box.